Good morning, dolls, and welcome to Little Gretchen's Workshop. So today is the day I show you what I got from the Ann Arbor Miniature Show. So let's go ahead and get right to it because I have so much to show you and I don't want to waste time chattering because I'm still on cloud nine because it was just such a great experience. Now this was a lovely item I got. It was off of like a discount table. It's a Strombecker piece. It's really old. It's a vintage piece, but literally they have free tables and really cheap tables. I got that for $1 and I'm going to repurpose it and actually turn it into a dressing table. That's a piece, it's vintage, it's from the 40s, and yeah, I love it. I actually got even a little corner cabinet. It was $1 as well. So I'm definitely going to repurpose those two pieces. Also, at this particular table, I got a little small bag of hangers. Now, dolls, you know I have hangers, and we were even talking about hangers in one of my other videos as far as the hangers being too big. But these hangers, the little dark brown ones, are actually smaller. They probably really will fit very well in my dollhouse armoire that I made from a kit. And I also have that one that someone made and put lace on it. So those were really cute. They were really, really inexpensive. I got them off of that dollar table. So yeah, they were cheap. I know how to make hangers, but they were really cheap. So I just went ahead and got them. Very, very inexpensive. I also got a free box of graham crackers. So that was fun as well. So let me go on to my other pieces, but I'm excited about repurposing those items to fit in with what I'm doing in the rooming house dollhouse. So let me put these away. Now here's a bag of goodies that I got from what's called the Golden Egghorn shop. That's a little jar of Vaseline. Okay, I got some Arm& Hammer baking soda, some Murphy's oil soap because you know the dolls like to clean. Got some vinegar there for the kitchen. I thought that was lovely. I'm not going to make that dolls. And also some Comet for the bathroom. And that was really cute. I had to get that. Those are some soft light bulbs. I love little accessories like this because they just enhance what you already have and they fill your cabinets and things and add a lot of realism. So that's a little Scott toilet tissue. I thought that was cute. Some gold medal flour. That was adorable. Also a bag of crown sugar. That's cute. Thought that was nice. And then some first aid. I think that's like gauze or cotton or whatever, but I thought it would be good in the dollhouse linen closet in the rooming house. So I thought those were all just really lovely pieces. And also she had a tape measure and a ruler. Okay, dolls, yeah, I'm not going to make that. The attention to detail was incredible, and I definitely need that in the rooming house because one of the residents is a seamstress. So that's going to fit into my story really well. And when I saw this little ruler, yeah, I had to have that too, dolls. It is delicate, it is small, it is just a piece of wood, but they looks like they laser cut the numbers in it. And I'm just showing you for scale how you can see the numbers. You can actually read the numbers on that. Yeah, dolls, I had to have it. I had to have it. I'm not going to make that. So that's why I love things like this or events like this where I can find pieces that, yeah, I'm just not going to make or I don't want to make, and I can find them already made, lovely, and at really reasonable prices. So they're going to enhance what I already have in my house. So I'm excited about those pieces. And those were from the Golden Egghorn shop. So let's move on to the next bag. So this is another vendor. I found some really, really nice pieces with, and the name of her shop was the Yankee Woodwright shop. And she does folk art and decorative custom painting and even paint classes. So she had some lovely pieces that I thought were just beautiful. Now, that hat was really cute. I definitely have plans to decorate it. But yeah, I'm not going to make a straw hat doll, so I definitely bought that. And I found something I've really been looking for a really, really long time. and it was lovely and at a great price. I got a little brown baby. Oh, that doll was so cute. I was so excited to find that. Very rare. It's a Heidi Ott doll. So yeah, it was really cute. I got it at a really, really great price. So I was really excited to get that. I was really, yeah, that was worth the whole trip because they're usually a lot more expensive than what I paid for it. And this was another little baby that had an outfit on it. So I needed more babies for the house. Her arm is kind of messed up, but I'm definitely going to fix her up to make her work out for the rooming house, Dollhouse. So yeah, I was glad to find those two little babies. I thought they were really, really cute. And also at this table, I got, no, this particular little packet that I'm opening now is some baby jars. And I thought that went along with the babies. This was actually a free item I got at the registration table. They're teeny weeny little jars. And I thought they looked like baby food jars. I guess you could use them for spices, but they were baby food jars. And the box of raisins was free as well. So I was really tickled about getting that. That's really cool to get some freebie stuff in your bag. I was buying a lot of things, but to get some nice pieces like that for free, that's a lot of fun. I was excited about it. So this beautiful little vase was from Wilamina Miniatures. So wilaminaminiatures.com. She was a very lovely lady, and I thought these pieces were lovely. They're very delicate, little ginger jar, and the lid even opens. Very delicate, very thin, finished really well. I thought those were beautiful. These are the kind of lovely pieces that really enhance your cabinets, china cabinets, living room, dining room, shelves, and things in your dollhouse. So always look for pieces like that. So this next bag, let me see who this was. Just trying to gather and keep up with what I had and the cards I had. Okay, now this item was from the TND miniature table, I do believe. Yeah, I'm going to use this in my laundry room. Yeah, in the laundry room or the pantry portion of the Rowing House Dollhouse. So I definitely thought this was a nice piece to have acquired. I'd been looking for a piece like that, and I thought that was a good price. So I was glad about that. Now, dolls, this little table actually was, I got it at the Yankee Woodwright table, but I didn't show it when I was showing that part in the beginning. But I just wanted to show it to you. It was a beautiful coffee table with harp legs. It needed a little repair, but it was a really good price, and I felt like for how beautiful it was a very beautiful piece, and I believe it was a best pack, but it was damaged. So don't be afraid to buy damaged pieces, dolls. You can fix anything. I bought it. I'm going to work on it, and it's going to be beautiful. Very excited to have gotten that piece. Okay, now this is at the TND Miniatures table. Got that lovely rug at an excellent price, and I got a whole little bundle of things from them. So I just want to definitely give a shout out to them because I do believe that they're the ones who promoted or put on this particular miniature show. So yeah, they're awesome people. So I got a little bag of stuff from them. Definitely check them out online, TND Miniature Shows, and you'll get a whole schedule of the shows that are going on in 2022. And every year they have shows all over the country. So just check and see if they're coming to a town near you. So this is a really lovely frame. It's metal. I thought the price of those were really reasonable based on the weight and how lovely they were. And those are some small picture frames, are really, really nicely made. They actually have the little glass over them and they pop out where you push them out and put the pictures in. So those are lovely dolls. I do make picture frames, but these are different from the kind I make. So I love the variation things like this will give. I definitely want my house to have the collected look. So I've got really great bag of picture frames. So I guess I'll have to do a video about art. And there's my little muffin tin. I thought that was adorable as well. And then here's a little bottle of alcohol. So now I don't have to take the one that I bought for the doctor's house and put it in the rooming house. I have one. And that was just another like cosmetic bottle they had, and another bottle of baby oil for the babies. And that was that. And last but not least of this particular haul, I don't even have a shower in the rooming house dollhouse, but this was adorable. It's a shower cap, dolls. It just was adorable. I could have made it, but it was just too cute. I just had to have it. Oh, I almost forgot. There were two other pieces I got at the TND table. These beautiful blue vases. Now, I got the two white ones from Wilamina, but these two blue ones came from the TND Miniatures table. So altogether, dolls, today I got 4 vases. Really, really cute. Now, here is the table, which was the Victorian Lady Miniatures table. She had a lot of lovely items, really reasonably priced. So I really had a lot of fun at her table. Got me some little gloves for the rooming house, a cream and sugar container. I thought that was really adorable, really, really cute. What was else? What else? Beautiful little hat. I thought that was really cute. I know how to make hats, dolls, but it was $2. Look at that. Look how adorable that is. Beautiful. They did a lovely job on it. I definitely can use some hats in the rooming house dollhouse, and they're perfect scale. I loved it. And there was a little baby bib. And I love this table because she had so many different little things, and everything was really inexpensive. So yeah, I had a lot of fun at her table. Here's some little wooden pots. And then there's a little picnic set. It was missing one of the knives, but you're going to have some missing knives in your silverware drawer anyway. So I thought it was really cute. Some little napkins and placemats. It was super inexpensive. It was way less expensive than what it's marked. So yeah, I just went ahead and got it. I thought it was cute. And I thought this was an adorable little bundle of things. I'm going to put them in the rooming house dollhouse girls room. They look, to me, they'd be a great size for toys. It's 2 chairs, a dresser, and like a china cabinet. I thought they looked like toys for the dollhouse. So those are for the girls' room. So these are all the things I purchased from the Ann Arbor Miniature Show, but I also got some lovely things that were given to me by an awesome lady by the name of Gail. I can't remember your last name, Gail. If you're watching, I just want to give a shout out to you. Dolls, she was the one that had the really lovely displays. She wasn't selling anything, but she did all the wonderful displays with the pretty princess items, and she won awards and things. Gail, if you're watching, let me know in the comments. Thanks so much. And dolls, there was a table there representing the NAME organization, which is the National Association of Miniature Enthusiasts. They are celebrating 50 years of miniatures. My dad used to buy me the Miniature Gazette when I was a little girl. So that was really a nostalgic moment for me. It's really cool to think they played a part in me being in miniatures today. So if you dolls enjoyed this video today, let me know in the comments. Also, like, share, and subscribe. And always look for me on Mondays and Wednesdays after 7:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It sure has been a lot of fun showing you my haul today, dolls. And I'm looking forward to seeing you on the next episode of Little Gretchen's Workshop. Bye-bye now.